Welcome to Luque, a dynamic city right beside Ascension and home to the Silvio Pettirossi International Airport. Whether you are visiting for transit stays, events, or exploring local attractions like the Paraguay's River Port and artisans markets, here are the top 10 hotels in Luque, each described with location, price, and what make it special. The first one is Sol de Luque Casa Hotel. This charming boutique guest house is conveniently located near the airport and just minutes from downtown Luque. It offers cozy self-catering apartments surrounded by typical gardens and feature an outdoor pool and barbecue area. Guests often praise the relaxed, home-like vibe and friendly staff who assist with airport transfers. Every price is $59 to $75 per night, making it a great choice for comfortable mid-range stay. The second one is Mangote Apartamento. Set within a residential area just a few minutes drive from the airport and close to shopping centers, Mangote Apartamento is praised for its bright interior and modern touch. The one-bedroom apartment includes a kitchen, and living space perfect for solo travelers or couples. It is praised for easy access and excellent cleanliness. Average price is around $35 per night. The third one is La Petite. Located in a quiet looking neighborhood not far from the city center, La Petite combines a peaceful garden setting with compact, stylish apartments. Users often rate it high, above 9 out of 10, for its service and spotless room. A perfect choice for restful stays near the airport. Average price is $29 to $35 per night. The fourth one is Republica Apartment. Just a short drive from Lucas Main Road and airport, this upscale apartment style property offers access to a rooftop terrace and open air bathing areas. Guests love the quiet atmosphere and thoughtful layout. It feels like a private home. Average price per night is $35 to $40, offering excellent value. The next one is Seio Aeroporto. Seio Aeroporto is a popular among transit travelers thanks to its location just minutes from the airport. With sleek rooms, free Wi-Fi, and quick airport pickups, it is ideal for short stays. Guest reviews often highlight the efficient service and clean facilities. Every price is $35 to $45 per night. The next one is Delicado Mono Ambiente Comfy Studio. Located near Luque City Center, this compact studio apartment offers a comfortable bed, small kitchen, and light decor designed for rest after a long transit or city exploration day. It is often rated exceptional on cleanliness and location. Average price is about $34 to $38 per night. The next one is Hostel Fantano di Luque. Nested in central Luque, this simple guest house features tidy rooms, ample host, and basic amenities like air conditioning and Wi-Fi. It is ideal for travelers wanting affordability without skimping on cleanliness. Average price about $30 to $40 per night. The next one is Mandela Apartments. Located slightly outside the buses zone, Mandela Apartments offer spacious units with kitchens and a peaceful courtyards. Guests appreciate the tranquil setting and easy access to city attractions. Average price is $40 to $55 per night. Great for longer stays. The second last is Dos Ambientes para Tres Personas. This centrally located two-room apartment is ideal for small groups or families. It offers a simple layout with a bedroom and living area, and it is within easy walkable distance of shops and public transport. Average price is $35 to $45 per night, often rated highly for location. The last one is Vogel House. Tucked into a leafy corner of Luque, Vogel House offers peaceful garden views and simple, well-maintained rooms with shared lounge space. Guests enjoy a relaxed ambience and helpful host. Average price is $40 to $35 per night. Excellent for a clean, budget-conscious stay. That's our guide to the top 10 hotels in Luque, Paraguay, from transit beds near the airport to peaceful apartments perfect for longer stays. Whether you are catching an early flight, exploring Asuncion, or staying a night, these hotels offer comfort and convenience. If this guide helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more travel content in Paraguay and beyond.